What's up, everybody? This is your boy Vlad. I'm just gonna do a quick recap video today of some of the trades that I got into. Today was actually a very poor performance day for me. So I pretty much broke even today. Um, if you watched my last video, I had AIM on the watch list, and I said AIM was gonna be a short, but I actually didn't get a chance to short it because it gapped down so much, and right out the gate, it wasn't no spike or nothing, and it just collapsed. So once I saw it collapse, I didn't even think it was gonna get back to the fives, so I actually moved on. So I missed this right here, this rebound. Yeah, and one thing about it too, um, there is a lot of opportunity costs. Anytime you go inside, you trade a trade and it's not really working out um, as you would hope. There's other trades that's in the market that are working that you could potentially go, that you could be involved in. But since you're nourishing a trade, especially if you're under PDT, you have to, be a little bit more patient versus someone who is outside of PDT and they could hurry up and just eliminate the loss and just move on to another trade. So that's one thing that I still do see myself doing because I'm really shy. I'm so shy. I'm real close of being over the PDT, but then again, I still gotta conserve my day trades. So, um, so the stock that I traded today, the only stock that I traded today was SPEX. SPEX. This was a runner coronavirus. It spiked, went to the 552. Had first red day, so once I saw this gap down, I didn't get short in over here. And I actually got short on this little attempt bounce after this little cute. It had a circuit break and then just gap down super hard intraday. So I actually had a short order to be at 220. 220. It got close and it just dipped from there. And the stupid thing that I did was, instead of being patient, just waiting for this to go back up, I think on this little dip right here, I went short. And my exit level was to be at the VWAP, so 205. And mind you, I'm actually full size on this position. I think I had like 2,400 shares. So it went up. And then this is where I should have got out at, but nope. I was like, let me be a little bit more patient. This thing ripped up. It ripped up like right around, I think I got out right around here, right around on this candle right here. So this was a 50 cents move. So me not being patient, not sticking to my plan, made me I was down, I think $1,100 off of that trade. But I got back in it. I want to say I got in it like right around here, because after I saw this big long candle go down, so I knew, it's actually gonna work out. So we have this dip down, and I want to say, matter of fact, it was right here. I'm sorry. I got short like right around here. and I covered like right around here. Right around here. I think I made like 600 or 700 bucks. So instead of no, probably 600 bucks, yeah, because I end up being down only 500 something dollars. So I covered, had this ramp up, and I should have actually put in an order to go short here, but I canceled it. Um, Came back, got in short like right around here. Again, I wasn't patient because initially I wanted to put my short order, let it bounce first, then do the rebound. Since I didn't do that, I got in at 193, and I actually am short overnight. I had the chance to just become break even like after hour, cause like right, I think I got 1,800 shares. So I'm currently short overnight holding this, and yeah. So hopefully we get a bigger gap down. If so, then I make back. I'll break even on today and also make a little bit something on top of that. The trade for me for AIM, I did. I bought this last night during after hour, and I think I lost maybe about what did I say about close to close to $200 on this, because I saw that it had this huge snap right here. This snap let me know that, yeah, they are selling. So during this little bounce back, I got out. Took a small loss because I only had, 300 shares or something like that. And I was in at like 680 something. So got out. Let's call it quits. And luckily I did, because you have this. Never got back to the sixes. So, yep. So, those are just my trade recaps from today. Definitely missed opportunity. Like I said, I was nourishing this SPEX because of my first entry. I had opportunity to get in. What was it? AYTU. AYTU, this popped up on my scanner. I actually tried to buy this at like 80, or like 84 cents, like somewhere around here. Like 84 cents. Order didn't get filled. Then it got to the 90s, and I was like, nah, I don't want to chase it. Because at that point, it was already up like 140 something percent. Wish I would have just chased it a little bit, but with these things, you never know. Then you had this ramp up. And not only that, once it did this dip, I wanted to buy it, but I was still stuck in AYTU. No, I'm sorry, SPEX. I was stuck in it, and yeah, I couldn't get out yet. So definitely missed opportunity. Oh yeah, another trade that I did trade was SFET. I traded this really late. Um, I traded this, yeah, like $3.06, like literally close to the top. Because I thought since it was a low flow, they may be able to go further. And one thing about it, once you watch these price action, you're able to determine like, okay, this is not going to be a runner, because it made a top at like the 320, 326, then it dipped down. Then it, in order for it to break the 326, it only got up to like the 340s. So that's not a big breakout. So was a little bit more patient, and I saw that the wick was being bought up here, and the next go up. So next go up, it only went to 359. So that just let me know, okay, so we have sellers here. So time to get out. So I got out, I think at like maybe 313. So I just made a little bit on that. Then immediately after that, yeah, this crash. So those are just the only trades that I made today. Um, Hopefully tomorrow I'm a little bit more patient. Um, and yeah, and I'll make a watch list video about tomorrow, March the 11th. So this is Vlad signing off. Hope you get value out of this. Peace.